Hello dear students, I, Miss Archana Gauli, Assistant Professor. In my previous video, we studied about Abraham Maslow's need hierarchy theory. In today's lecture, we are going to focus on Herberg's two-factor theory. Herzberg two-factor theory. This theory is also known as motivation hygiene theory or dual factor theory, developed by Herzberg in the year 1950. This theory is based on empirical research of job attitudes of 200 engineers and accountants. After conducting research, Herzberg analyzed the responses and noticed that the two-factor, that is maintenance and motivation factor, are identical. The presence of maintenance factor do not motivate the employees, but motivation factor do motivate them. This theory is also called as motivation hygiene theory or dual factor theory. This theory was developed by Friedrich Herzberg in the year 1950. This theory is based on empirical research where Herzberg and his associates interviewed 200 engineers and accountants of a company, where Herzberg and his associate asked them various questions about the times when they feel good at their job and times when they feel bad about their job. The researchers asked them to describe the conditions that had led to those feelings. After analyzing the response, Herzberg noted that the two set of factor, that is maintenance factor and motivation factor, are unidentical. Presence of certain factors may not motivate the employees to work, but they are necessary to maintain the employees at the workplace. Such factor may include remuneration, security, etc. Also, there are certain factors which motivate the employees to work more effectively and efficiently in the organization. Such factors may include growth, responsibilities, achievement, etc. Now we will have a look on the motivating factor and hygiene factors. Motivating factors includes achievement, recognition, work itself, responsibility, achievement, and growth. Hygiene factor is also known as maintenance factors, which includes company policy, supervision, relationship, working condition, remuneration, and security. Merits of two-factor theory. This theory specifies measures to improve motivation level. It helps to understand the effects of job contents on motivation of employees. Third, it clearly states that presence of hygiene factor is necessary to avoid dissatisfaction. Fourth, the presence of motivation factor is essential to motivate the employees. Demerits of Herzberg theory. This theory is based on small sample size. In realistic, there is no direct cause and effect relationship in motivation and performance. As a matter of fact, two factors are not distinct. Both hygiene and motivation may cause satisfaction and dissatisfaction. Studying the two factor theory, studying its merits and demerits, we can conclude that management should maintain an adequate amount of both factors in order to maintain satisfaction among the employees and also maintain adequacy of motivation factor to motivate the employees. Thank you.